Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope all my viewers are fine and doing well. So latest updated ideas about Christmas decoration are available on my YouTube channel. In this collection you see approximately 200 plus ideas, guys. Huge amount of data and a huge amount of designs of Christmas decoration are available for my viewers, for my beautiful viewers who are watching the best Christmas decoration ideas. Centerpieces in a star shape are most trending videos, are most trending viral ideas, and all about the Christmas decoration. So if you are interested and if you are like this type of videos, then your first priority to subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. If we discuss in this video about the star shaped Christmas decorations designs, star shape as the centerpieces that you see the other pictures, and all pictures, all designs, all shades are new, trending, and most viral videos are uploaded on my YouTube channel. One of the best YouTube channel that provides you the designs, that provides you the ideas, how to decor, how to celebrate, which color is suitable for your home, and which designs is so trending and so informal and used for the different designs. So the designs of Merry Christmas use Santa Claus as a minor shape, round shape. Merry Christmas 2024 ideas, guys. Huge amount of designs, a huge amount of collection about the centerpieces. I think and I believe that without centerpieces, without decoration, your Christmas is so tasteless as well as so boring. So if you like and if you searching the best YouTube channel and gain a more ideas how to collect, how to design, how to arrange arrangements of Christmas decoration, and a variety of data about the Christmas decoration are available on my YouTube channel. So don't miss the chance because trending ideas and all collection and all designs related to the Merry Christmas designs 2024 celebration are started now. And invite your friends, invite your relatives, invite your colleagues that you are working in a workplace. So enjoy the collection, decor your home in a different way, celebrate your home, celebrate your this festival 2024 and a memorable day. Take a pictures and take a selfie for your social media accounts, and most of the time you use the decorations in a dye projects. And most of my viewers and most of my eye watching members watching the best ideas related to the that are making in raw materials, that are making in reusable materials. So all collections, all designs are beautiful, bestest ideas, bestest decorations are uploaded on my YouTube channel. So we discuss the designs, we discuss the ideas, and about the Christmas. Christmas is not just a festival, it's just a blessed festival. And because more your relatives, your colleagues, your friends are invited to your home, you take a beautiful pictures and for your social media accounts, as well as spend a more memorable time and spend a more valuable time for your. And this collection is all about the star shape centerpieces design. So guys, don't miss the chance, because all the designs in this collection, when I tell you 200 plus ideas, so most informative video, share with your colleagues and friends and relatives who are watching the best Christmas decorations designs. And I hope you enjoy my collection. Watch the video till the end, the video is not stop.